So as I said, many of you are visiting the 11th floor for the first time. So welcome to SSLA. Some of you, of course, are well known to us and part of the Symbiosis family. This is something that we're doing for the first time. We've never actually organized a workshop on financial literacy. We've never looked at ourselves as being having a role to play in terms of staff and faculty development. For that, I have to thank Mr. Rungta. Let me introduce him to you. I met him as a parent. His daughter studies with us, and he is the CEO of apnapaisa.com. He is also, in addition to the work that he does, he also writes and shares his knowledge through newspaper columns. He writes for the Indian Express. And while we met during the admission process of his daughter, you meet someone who is in finance and you automatically start feeling that you need to learn from them. And I remember telling him that I need to sit with you because I don't understand finance at all. And I am absolutely a zero when it comes to investments and savings. I said, we need to do something. I am so happy that he's agreed to come and spend his afternoon with us. He spent the morning with the students. We're hoping to catch them young so that they understand savings at a very young age. I'm going to invite, tumhi log pude ya na ikde? Are ye re? Okay. But we thought that we need to do this for everyone. So whether we are directors, faculty, whether we are accountants, whether we are dealing with websites, the fact is that many of us are ignorant. Many of us leave it to our partners, and many leave it to God, fate. Many of us assume that we're going to die without any savings. So I'm going to hope that Mr. Rungta is going to make us feel a little more confident about the future. He's promised to speak in Hindi and English. And Marathi. Please be absolutely relaxed. Ask whatever questions you have. And the takeaway is, I think, we'll all be happy if you go back ready to think about savings and a little more confident in how we deal with this aspect of our life. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you, Gokul, for organizing this, and I hope you have a wonderful session.
Thank you. Okay, before we start, I think money is such a serious issue, so we thought we'll start on a slightly lighter note. So I'm going to just hand over the mic to somebody who can make fun of money. We will then talk about making friends with money.
So yeah, this is really helpful that he's now created expectations that I will make you laugh. So thank you for creating that. Allow me to introduce myself. I've been working for about 8 years in the corporate sector. So I started my career doing consulting. Then I did media sales. Then I did investment banking. And now I'm a communications coach. So yes, I'm a role model for career stability, definitely. And in this profession, I teach a lot of people, communication to a lot of people. I teach call center agents, telemarketers, engineers also. Do you have any engineers here, by any chance? I honestly think engineers are the toughest guys to teach communication, especially with the opposite sex, because you guys know, right, how an engineer says hi to a girl? I love you. But, primarily this session is not about me, so I just wanted to ask you guys something. When do we start thinking about finance and money? When does that start happening? Spending, budgeting, when do we become financial analyst? When does that happen? Huh? Yeah, when? Kaun se, when do we start doing that? Yeah. Yeah, exactly. So you think, when we start working, you're tempted to think that, we start thinking about finance, money, analysis when we are working, when we start earning. But actually, अपने college के दिन याद करो, तब से शुरू हो जाता है ना? Remember as college friends when you all went out to a restaurant, जब bill आता है तभी सब लोग financial analyst नहीं बन जाते एकदम से? When you're doing complex calculations, किसको कितना देना चाहिए? यार मैं तो non-veg नहीं खाता हूँ, मैं क्यों इसका भरूँ? Yeah. I don't drink, why should I pay for the drinkers? पूरा एकदम complex formula बन जाता है. So we start thinking about money at a pretty early stage, don't you think? You know that even when you went out on a date, or, you know, you wanted to impress a girl, you'd go to a restaurant, a nice restaurant, you know, or a nice pub. Then once she becomes your girlfriend, you don't have to impress her anymore. You still go to the same pub, but you'll go in happy hours, right? That's pretty much how you make this kind of adjustment. So, you know, the impact that I'm trying to make is that finance is something that is always there in our lives at all points of time. Now, tell me something. Have you heard of this particular actor? You know, he's very famous for this particular line in this movie, Sholay. Itna sannata kyun hai, bhai? Anyone remembers that guy? Yeah? Itna sannata kyun hai, bhai? You remember that old guy? Yeah? Sholay? Yeah? A.K. Hangal? Yeah? Now, he's somebody who did very well. You know? He was a very famous celebrity and he died recently. So he must have earned a lot of money, right? Paisa kamana zaruri hai, right? That's the most important part of financial, yes? Earning money. But you know, when he died, the industry had to pay for even his hospital bills. Utna paisa bhi nahi tha uske paas. Anyone's heard of Michael Jackson? Yeah? Thriller, right? It's the ultimate album. He made tons of money, right? Platinum, MTV, #1. Kitna paisa kamaya hoega? More than all of us can even imagine put together. But do you know when he died? He left $400 million in debt. Are people aware of that? $400 million in debt. So what does that tell us? कि पैसा कमाना सबसे ज़रूरी चीज़ है? Yeah? बचाना, उसको manage करना. You might earn, you know, tons and tons of money, but if you don't manage it properly, you can still get destroyed. And it's on that note that we today have somebody who's, you know, a foremost expert who will explain exactly how we can do that process. So they had given me an introduction, certain things that, you know, he's set up his own loan portal. He's a senior honcho at ICICI. He's also, I believe, a gold medalist, a chartered accountant. Correct me if I'm wrong, yeah. And he appears on television. So I thought the only cool thing about him is that he appears on television. And on that note, let me hand over to Harsh Rungta, please.
Okay, thanks. Okay, what we're going to do is, do we have the cards there? Okay. So we're going to draw a lottery, right? And as you can see, this workshop is sponsored by ICICI Prudential Asset Management Company, that they run the ICICI mutual funds, right? And they have announced a prize of 10 lakhs for the guy whose card is going to come out of this box, right? So where is the box? We are all waiting with bated breath. Okay. So while we are drawing out, okay, can somebody tell me, if you were to win, somebody wants to share, if you were to win that 10 lakh prize, what are you going to do with it? Yeah? Somebody? If you win the 10 lakh prize, what will you do with it? Sorry? Okay. Spend some money and invest some money. How much would you spend and how much would you invest, and in what?
Lot of things, right? Yeah, lot of things, right? I mean, renovation of apartments, etc. Right? I would spend 50% on that.
Right.
Probably 50% on investing. You know, thinking of how that can, you know, money can work for me.
Investing 50%.
Yeah.
So 5 lakhs you would invest and 5 lakhs you would
Spend. Yeah.
In what?
As I said, right? I mean, renovation of house and things
So
like
5
that.
lakhs you spend. What would you invest it in?
Okay, the remaining 5 lakhs which I am going to invest.
Right.
I haven't thought about it. Maybe put it in stocks.
Maybe put it in
Yeah.
stocks. Okay. Somebody else? Yes, ma'am? If you were to win this 10 lakhs, what would you do?
Sir, I would just clear off my home loan because I'm paying too much of interest for it.
Okay.
Yeah,
And
that
the
is
home
what
loan
I...
is more than the 10 lakhs, or it's less?
It
So we-
is almost, say about 11 to 12 lakhs.
Oh wow. So we hope her name comes out. Okay. Okay. So she is very clear. She is going to become debt free. ठीक है, हिंदी में बिल्कुल. क्या करेंगे अगर हम लोग 10 लाख की लॉटरी मिल जाए तो 10 लाख की लॉटरी लग जाएगी तो क्या करेंगे? और लॉटरी ये कोई बहुत बड़ी नहीं है, 10-20 लाख में से एक जन की नहीं है, ये हम लोग 25 लोग हैं, इसमें से एक जन की लगने वाली है, तो क्या करेंगे? टैक्स तो देना ही पड़ता है। आप कुछ भी पैसा कमाओ, वो अपना बड़ा पार्टनर बैठा है दिल्ली में, उसको तो देना ही पड़ेगा। सिर्फ एक ही तरीका है, बिना टैक्स वालों को दिए, वो आप काफी देर तक पैसा रखो, प्रूडेंशियल म्यूचुअल फंड में रखो और कोई म्यूचुअल फंड में रखो, तो शायद उनको नहीं देना पड़े, उनको माफ किया हुआ है। बाकी हर जगह तो लॉटरी लगेगी तो पैसा देना ही पड़ेगा।
Yeah, so Vindhya, you can't pay home loan completely. I was just telling her she can't pay off a home loan completely.
Almost. Okay. ठीक है. So while we are collecting these cards, okay, anybody else wants to talk about क्या करेंगे? 10 लाख रुपए मिले तो क्या करेंगे? अगर 10 लाख की लॉटरी लगी तो क्या करेंगे? सेविंग तो करेंगे, कहाँ करेंगे? हाँ, बैंक अकाउंट में, सेविंग्स बैंक अकाउंट में रख लेंगे बस, और उसको देख देख के खुश होते रहेंगे। हाँ, एफडी करेंगे। ओके, वो 10 लाख की एफडी करेंगे। ओके, सो आज हम लोग यहाँ पर कोई, ये बहुत ही सवाल जवाब है, यहाँ पे मैं खड़ा होकर कोई भाषण नहीं देने वाला हूँ। आप लोगों से सवाल पूछूंगा, आप लोगों को जवाब देना है, ठीक है? और उसी से, सवाल जवाब से शायद हम लोग कुछ सीख जाएं। तो ये दिख रहा है आपको आदमी? दिख रहा है पीछे? दिख रहा है आपको आदमी ये? इसको जहां जाना है, ये कितनी दूर है? इसको जहां भी जाना है, ये आप आगे आइए।